Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change the Messenger's ringtone. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and fire up your Messenger. And once you're in here, go to the three horizontal lines right here. It's top left. Alright, tap on it. When you are at this section, just go ahead and tap on this gear icon right here at the top. Alright, this one, tap. Now in here, you're gonna want to scroll down, alright, until you find the option or the section preferences. Now once you're in here, just tap on sounds or notifications and sound. All right, tap on it. As you can see here, there's a bunch of options right here. So all we need to do is just make sure that our notification is on. All right, then scroll down until we see the option ringtone. All right, tap on it. And as you can see, you only have two options. The first one is the default one. All right, and the second one is Spectrum. All right, there you have it. Once done, just go ahead and tap on back and your ringtone sound will be changed to Spectrum. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.